the first thing we want to do is we want to make the home more comfortable. We want to increase the comfort level of the home. So the best way of increasing the comfort level of the home is first to tackle all the air leaks or the infiltration in the home. And next week's class is going to be dedicated to where those air leaks are and how to find them and how to fix them. All right, after we take on the infiltration in the home, then we want to take on the insulation levels in the home. Okay? Because insulation will help to make your wall temperatures more comfortable, but so it's going to add to this comfort level in the home. Taking care of the air leaks in the home, taking care of the insulation levels in the home, don't just save you money, but they make you more comfortable. And then after you've gotten the home more comfortable, now you can start looking at improving the efficiency of your systems, your heating and cooling systems. All right? Why did I put that third? Because we want to make the home more comfortable. We can improve the efficiency of the heating system and save money, but it's not going to make you more comfortable. By taking care of the air leaks and increasing the insulation values in the home, not only do we save money, but we make the home more comfortable. All right? And then I tackle the heating systems in the home. And then if we still got money left, then maybe we'll look to do maybe some of those things that are questionable as far as cost versus benefit, but might increase the value of the home in the resale market down the road or create that hedge against the future.